not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Wednesday to you all. So guys, today I will be doing this eggplant garden egg, anyone you call it, to deep condition my hair. So I've already washed it. Now I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do next. I'm just going to first of all slice it, then I'm going to cut it into little pieces just like so. So to my returning subscribers, you are welcome, and if you are new here, you are also welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe before the end of this video. So if you have not used eggplant on your hair before, it's very good for hair growth. It's very beneficial to our health. So if you don't like using it on your hair direct, you can also cook it as banga soup, or you fry it, use it to eat yam. Anyone that you prefer, just consume it because it's very good and it's a very rich plant for us to eat, very rich vegetables for us to eat. So now I've already washed it. I've put it inside my pot. I'm just going to cook it without water because eggplant has a lot of water. Eggplant contains a lot of water. So I've already cooked it. Now I'm just going to use my hand blender to blend it. I'm just going to use my hand blender to just blend this, and then if the paste is not smooth, you can use your strainer or a filter to do this that I'm doing. I don't know what they call this that I am doing. I don't know what it's called though. Just use your hand to kind of rub it around so that the smoother paste will come out of the eggplant. So after doing this, so this is what I have. This is the kind of one that I want to use. You can see how smooth the paste look. So this I'm going to show that away. So as from this point, you can use any oil of your choice. You can use any oil of your choice. So I'm going to be using my carrot and aloe vera oil that I made. So after this, I'm just going to mix the oil very well inside the paste, inside my garden egg paste. Mix it very well. So you can use any oil that you like for your hair. From this stuff, you can use any oil. So after mixing this very well, I'm also going to add another DIY oil to this. So I'm going to be adding my cafe and rice DIY oil to this. I'm going to mix it very well. So I'm going to mix it very well. Then I'm just going to show you guys how it look like. This is the kind of consistency that I'm looking for. It's not that watery, it's not that thick, it's just average. So now it's time for me to apply the what they call it again, eggplant paste to my hair. So I've already washed my hair. This is going to serve as a deep conditioner for my hair. So look at how it look. So eggplant help to boost hair growth. Eggplant help to boost hair growth. Eggplant also contain healthy enzyme that stimulate the hair follicles, which promote healthy hair growth. Like I said before, eggplant is contain a lot of water, like watermelon. So eggplant also have a lot of water that will help to restore and soften our hair. So when you do this conditioner weekly, you are going to get the benefit. Eggplant also have protein in it. It also have potassium in it, which help our hair to grow. Proteins also good for our hair. Eggplant also have calcium. It also have zinc. It also have vitamin C. It also have iron. It also have magnesium. It also have vitamin B, C, and vitamin K, which all those things contribute to our hair growth in one way or the other. So now you see that eggplant is so amazing for our hair growth. So all these things that eggplant has have their own way to contribute to our hair growth. So as you do this like once a week, you are going to get a lot of benefit. You are going to get less of shedding. You are going to get less of breakage. Your hair is going to grow like magic. Your hair is going to grow like magic. So maybe you don't know about eggplant for hair growth. Some people don't even use store-bought products on their hair. They depend on DIY products because there are lots of DIY products. There are lots of food you have in your cupboard, in your kitchen, that you can use to maintain your hair without spending anything on your hair. So going natural or having relaxed hair, you can search your kitchen for a good ingredients, a good hair growth ingredients in your kitchen that will help you to grow your hair. Like there are so many things to help you to grow your hair that you can just find in your kitchen. So I'm just going to continue to apply this to my hair, so you can see how it make my hair look, help to define my coils, it helps to moisturize my hair because it contains a lot of water. Water is a good moisturizer, so it helps to moisturize my hair, and it's also going to contribute to my hair growth. That is very important. When your hair is moisturized, out of breakage, when your hair is moisturized, it's going to grow. It's not glow. It's going to grow. Oh my goodness. It's going to grow very well. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, a huge one. Forget to give me a thumbs up. If you can share, you share. So I'm just going to continue to apply the product to my hair. So some people also use it on their skin because it's good for to remove dark mark, like dark mark on the face. Some people also use it on their face to remove dark mark. Some people also use the juice as a hair wrist. Maybe you don't want to go into the process of cooking, blending and all these things. You can just use your food processor, like your juicer, to juice out the juice and just use it as a hair wrist. Maybe some other time I'm going to do that on my video. I'm going to do that eggplant hair wrist, like SUV hair wrist. So you can also do eggplant hair wrist. So guys, I'm just continue to apply the product to my hair. This is so nice. So after applying it to your hair, you have to leave it for an hour or two, depend on your time, but try to leave it on for an hour or two for it to really work well on your hair. It's not stored bought deep conditioner, it's a DIY deep conditioner, so it's going to need a lot of time to work on your hair. So just be patient and give it that time. Leave it on your hair for an hour or two. Just be doing something around your house. You can do this in the morning, maybe before you finish your house chores. It must have been 2 to 3 hours. Then you just go and rinse it off and have your shower. So guys, thank you so much for watching to this extent. I appreciate you guys. If you are not yet subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, because there is a lot of DIY coming on the way, a lot of twist out, a lot of hell. So after applying it to my hair, I'm just going to cover my hair. So I'm just going to cover my hair with a plastic bag. Like I said, just leave it for an hour or two for it to work very well on your hair. Okay guys, there's nothing you cannot use on your hair. Anything you can put on your body, you can eat it, you can also use it on your hair. So now it's about an hour, it's about 2 hours and even some minutes now. So I'm just going to wash out this deep conditioner out of my hair. Guys, look at the way it strengthens my hair, like the coils is pumping. DIY is the best though, like DIY product is the best product you can use on your hair. Maybe you say I don't have money to take care of my natural hair, just get a leave-in conditioner and continue your hair with a DIY. Just search your kitchen, banana, anything you can find, use it as a deep conditioner, you are good to go. So now this is how my hair is looking like. I just want to show you guys before I will rinse out this marvelous deep conditioner. See how beautiful this look. I love it so much, so nice. If you do love it, give me thumbs up, please. Don't forget to give me thumbs up. so guys, I've already rinsed it out. Just look how beautiful my hair is looking now. So guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not tried this mode before, this eggplant deep conditioner, give it a try. You are going to love it. My hair is so moisturized, so soft, everything good this year. Bye bye. I will see you all in my next one. Stay blessed.